This is Joel over at Launchpad Legal Marketing, and today I wanted to do a quick video on Google Analytics and how to install and activate an account using a raw tracking code provided by Google. So we just recently launched this website here, Extreme Carpet Clean, for one of our clients, and we are going through the process of setting up all of the essential softwares, analytics, and Search Console, reCAPTCHA, all of those great free Google services. So what we're looking at here is going to be putting a Google Analytics account together and then getting the raw tracking code and placing it into the website. So what we're going to do first is we are going to hop over to the Google Analytics dashboard. You can go ahead and do a Google search, and it should be the first option, analytics.google. Once we're in here, we will get our welcome splash page, and you can go ahead and sign up for free. As we can see here, we don't have an account signed in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to an existing account where we're going to have this, but it's going to be exactly the same process if you just click on sign up and you don't have an account yet. So I'm going to switch over to our main account that we use to manage all of our clients' Google Analytics. And what we're going to do is we're going to get a screen that looks like we obviously already have one set up. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go over to the admin section and create account. So on the previous screen, if you would have signed up for free, it would take you essentially here. So new account name, I'm just going to name it the business name, Extreme Carpet Clean. I'm going to agree to all of the accesses and terms there. Next, it's going to ask us what do we want to track, and this is going to be a website, so perfect. Next, website name, Extreme Carpet Clean. And this can just be the business name if you are simply going to do one website tracking. If you're going to have multiple websites in the same account, then you would name each website differently so you could easily find the data later. So we have that URL. We can see that we already have a prefix, HTTP or HTTPS, and then the domain. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to grab the domain, and when I paste it, I'm going to make sure I take off the HTTPS because it's already there. If we try to move forward, we're going to get an error that the default URL is invalid. So let's go ahead and take that off. And now we can see we don't have an error. Industry doesn't necessarily make a difference, but for him, we're going to find service industry here, home and garden. And time zone, everything's set based on your browser. Let's go ahead and create. It's going to ask us to confirm that we accept the terms, so we go ahead and accept that. And we are done. So at this point, we are going to get dropped on a tracking code screen. And here we are, tracking ID. If you're in your main account and you ever need to get back to it, your main admin account from settings is going to take you here. Here's your account. Here's your property for the website that you created. Here's the tracking code. You just click on that and it will take us back. It's also going to give us a current status. No data in the last 48 hours. That's because we haven't put the code on yet. So this is the code that we want, the global tracking code. I'm going to copy that. And then for most websites, they are going to have a section where you can paste that code and start processing that data and sending it through to Google Analytics. Here on the back end of the Extreme Carpet Clean, we are using the Aveda theme, very popular theme. And they have an option here in theme options. Your theme or your website platform, you're going to look for something similar, which is going to be, let's see, it's usually extras, advanced, or custom codes. Let's go ahead and see what they call it here. It's not there. Advanced code fields. And then here we have a tracking code or a place to plug that in. So I'm simply going to put that in, and I'm going to update and save. There we go. So our tracking code is now installed. If we went to the front of the site, we did a refresh, and we did a quick inspection of the website, of the code. Let's inspect the code right there in the header, or if we do a Control F, we will see, if I search for Google, that we do have our code scripted right into the website. So we know that it is there. If you come back here and you do a refresh, you're not going to instantly see that traffic is being recorded. It could take up to a day or two for, oh, actually, look at that. It's instantly updated. Sometimes you may see a delay, so don't be worried about that. But we can see that we are receiving data, and even right now we have one active user on the site, which happens to be us. So that's a quick and easy way to set up the Google Analytics using the raw code and implementing it into your website. If you have any questions, definitely just reach out, drop them in the comments. We are available to assist. Thank you.